Every customer conversation holds valuable insights, but most of them get lost the moment the call ends. What if you could capture, analyze, and act on that data instantly? With AI-powered call analytics, your phone calls become more than just exchanges of words. They become a strategic advantage for sales, support, and business growth. AI Call Insights from United World Telecom helps you summarize, transcribe, and analyze every customer call, helping your team make smarter decisions faster. Let's take a closer look. AI is reshaping the way businesses handle voice communications. Gone are the days of relying on guesswork. Now, machine learning and natural language processing give you instant access to key takeaways, trends, and even the emotional tone of a call. So how does this work? First, calls are recorded and transcribed, turning conversations into searchable text. Then, AI generates call summaries, highlighting action items and important points. Finally, sentiment analysis detects customer emotions, helping businesses identify positive or negative interactions. With these insights, you can pinpoint sales opportunities, identify support issues, and refine customer interactions without listening to entire call recordings. Let's explore some of the most powerful AI-driven VoIP features that can help your business thrive. No more manual note-taking. AI automatically transcribes every call, making it easy to review conversations, search for keywords, and log customer interactions in your CRM. For example, say a customer calls with a complaint. Instead of replaying the call, you can simply search for relevant keywords in the transcript and address the issue quickly. On top of that, AI-generated call summaries condense long conversations into key points, so you can get the gist of a call in seconds. This is great for sales teams reviewing prospect calls or support managers checking for unresolved issues. Instead of listening to a full recording, just read the summary and decide your next steps. AI can also analyze tone, word choice, and language to determine sentiment, whether it was positive, neutral, or negative. This helps customer support teams prioritize unhappy customers and allows sales teams to identify warm leads who are more likely to convert. If you notice a trend in negative sentiment, you can investigate what's causing it with transcripts and recordings, and then take proactive steps to improve customer experience. Lastly, with keyword search, you can instantly find calls that mention specific topics, whether it's a competitor's name, a product feature, or a recurring issue. This is especially useful for tracking customer concerns, improving sales strategies, and staying ahead of conversation trends. So how do you get access to these AI-driven call analytics? United World Telecom's AI Call Insights feature includes these sub-features to help you get the most out of your call traffic. With our AI Call Insights, you get call transcriptions, auto-generated call summaries, sentiment analysis for better customer insights, searchable transcripts, and keyword filtering. You can easily filter your call reports based on locations, teams, agents, sentiment ratings, or keywords for more granular insights. You can even integrate some of these features with CRMs like Zoho, Salesforce, and HubSpot. With these tools, you can refine sales pitches, improve customer service, and optimize every conversation, all from your UWT control panel. Setting up AI Call Insights with United World Telecom is easy. 1. Sign up for a business phone number with UWT. 2. Enable AI Call Insights in your account dashboard. 3. Start making and receiving calls, and let AI handle the rest. 4. Access insights, transcripts, and sentiment analysis from your control panel. AI is changing the game for business communications, and United World Telecom is here to help you stay ahead. If you're ready to unlock the power of AI-driven call analytics, book a demo today or visit our website to get started.